all day. So lean my way and let me just take away all the pain. I know it's a bit soon for vows. Paper rings are good for now, but no, I'm already down the aisle, 'cause I'm so stupid in love. Let's get married in Vegas, we don't need a guest